G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I've got my Bogan King shirt back on, and there's a very good reason why. Because I'm king of the bogans. And another reason is because I'm going to recreate the cheesy bacon chip Butty from Hungry Jack's. Now you might recall I had one a little while ago, and oh mate, it looked atrocious. But it tasted really good. So today I thought I'd recreate that chip Butty so we can make it at home ourselves. It's really easy actually, and it's only 4 ingredients. So all you're going to need is some frozen chips, or as we call them in America, French fries. I've got some bacon here, yummo. I've got some cheese spread here and a bread roll. Alright, so I'm using the air fryer to cook my chips today, so I'll just throw a few in here. Come out of the bag. Come out of the bag. Come out of the bag. Oh, that's too many. Actually, it's never too many, is it? So we'll just spread those out a bit. And this air fryer's got a memory selection here for chips. 200 degrees and start, 15 minutes. Alright, now it's time to cook the bacon, so we'll heat up a frying pan. Is this warmed up yet? Oh, you! May the force be with you! So we'll chuck that in and start that cooking until it's nice and crispy. Now this bacon should only take about 5 minutes to cook, so be very vigilant. And also be very vigilant of the chips, making sure they're not overcooking. Give them a shake. Now while those other things are happening, I thought I'd just get my bread roll and cut it in half. We'll put that aside for now. And also I want to start melting some of this cheese. So now you don't have to do this part, but I just figured it'd probably be a bit better. So I'll just get some of this. I might even use quite a lot, maybe half a jar, which is way too much. And I don't want to do anything with this yet. I'll just sit and wait until these chips are nearly cooked. Now because there's not too many chips in here, I don't want to overcook them, because normally that time setting would be for if there was heaps more chips. So with a few minutes to go, I'll just chuck in this bread to get it sort of crispy-ish. And I also want to melt this cheese a little, make it a little runnier. I'll just give it about 20 seconds. How are these chips going? Well, the bread's fallen over, but it's got a nice crispiness about it. The microwave's just beeped. The bacon's brown. Time to throw this bad boy together. Yes! Alright, so we'll grab the bread. I'm guessing that's the base. And I mean, it'd be pretty lousy if I just didn't add a little bit of butter to this, wouldn't it? Hey? I've been missing my butter lately. I haven't been sleeping properly, and oh mate, butter really helps with that. So now this cream cheese is runny-ish. So I'll add some on here. Oh yeah, you know where this is going. I'll get some chips. Oh, that's a big one.
That's what she said.
Have to fold that one in half. Hungry Jack's taking note of the size of these chips and how many I'm putting on. Actually, I need some space in here. I put too many on because I need somewhere for this bacon to sort of fall into. Put some more cream cheese on there. Because you just got to, right? And that'll help hold the bacon on, even though it's falling off. I'll add a bit more bacon on there. I'll add some more chips. Might go this way with the chips this time. Add some more bacon. And then with this piece of bread here, I think I'll just try and add the rest of this cream cheese to this. Well, it's not cream cheese, is it? It's cheese spread. I think there's some bacon crusts here. A little bit. Which I can add on to this. The lid on top. Alright, well there's my cheesy bacon chip Butty replica. Pretty easy, huh, to throw together. Now one thing I did forget to do is salt those chips, but that cheese spread is going to be really salty and so is the bacon, so I'm not too concerned. It's looking mighty fine inside, isn't it? Nice and cheesy and bacony and chippy. Anyway, I'm fanging for some. Let's go. Mmm. Oh man. Mmm. 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 Oh man, that tastes so good. It tastes just like the Hungry Jack's one too. If not better. Oh. 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 Well, this is going to be breakfast, lunch and dinner sorted for the next month. Yeah! That tastes seriously good, so make sure you give it a go. If you want to see more of these videos, remember to show it some thumb and love and subscribe for more. Now, if you want to help support me with this channel, I've got a PayPal and a Patreon, and every cent really does count. Anyway, I might go outside and enjoy the rain and finish this off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I recreate something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is